Amber here, and today I'm going to be teaching you a classic. We're going to be learning a beginner-friendly version of Free Falling by Tom Petty. I hope that you're excited for today's lesson. I sure am. Let's get into the material today. So the song has got 3 easy chords, so let's start there. We're going to first need to put a capo onto our 3rd fret to be able to play the song in the same key as the original. And the chords that we're going to be using are a D major. We're then going to be playing an easy version of a 4-finger G chord. Now, if you want, you can play your G like this. I'm going to be playing an easy version of this G chord, and it looks like this. Instead of playing with all 4 fingers down, we're just going to be playing with our 3rd and 4th fingers down on the B and E string. And the reason why I'm doing that is because changing from that D chord to the easy G is so easy, hence the name easy G. All we need to do is keep our ring finger down, and we're going to just put our pinky down and lift off our 1st and 2nd fingers. And you can already hear the song coming through. So we're going to be using the easy G chord today. And then the 3rd chord we need is an A major chord, straightforward and simple. So let's talk about the rhythm of the song. We need to use a syncopated rhythm. So a syncopated rhythm is when we're not playing on the strong beats. So we're playing on the ands of the beats. So instead of strumming on 1, 2, 3, and 4, we'll be strumming on the and of 1. So 1 and, or 2 and. And this is not going to happen for the entire song, but for most of the strums we're going to be using a syncopated rhythm. So a good example, it would be to start from the beginning. So we're going to be strumming on beat 1 for the D, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you can see that that easy G is coming on the and of the 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. Practice that a few times. Also helps to count out loud or count in your head while you're playing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The next 4 beats we're going to be playing the first beat on the easy G and the and of 1 on D. 1 and 1 and. So we put that together from the beginning. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So as you can see, the G is going to be played twice in a row. So one more time, 1 and 2 and 3, stay there, 1 and 2, and then on the and of 2, we're going to play the A. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's do that from the beginning. Ready, and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and 1. One more time. 1 and 2 and 4. If you can manage that, you can play the entire song just like that. She's a good girl, loves her mama. Literally the entire song is that rhythm, playing the chords on those important beats. So let's check out the strumming pattern that you can also use in the song from the instrumental down. So the first verse, you can use your 1 strum strumming pattern just like it does in the original song, but from the instrumental, when the drums come in, there is a strumming pattern that we can use. So we're going to learn it in small chunks so that it's easy for you to digest and to put into action. So let's start with that first section, which is our D major to our easy G. So it's going to sound like this. Down, up, down, up, going to change from the D to the easy G. The D is going to get the down, up, up, and then you're going to switch on the next down strum. And the next section is super easy. We're just going to keep it nice and straightforward. A down strum on the G and a down strum on the D. No strumming patterns, just one strum. So from the start, strum, strum, down, up, switch, strum, strum. Last time. And then when we move on to that A major chord, the pattern is going to sound like this. Down, up, down, down, up. So if we put it from the very start. And that's going to get looped over and over again from the instrumental right through to the end. So let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, switch, one strum, pattern. Down, up, G, G, D, A. So all that's left to do now is to put this all into practice, and let's do a mini playthrough of the song together in the next section of this lesson. 1, 2, 3, 4. She's a good girl, loves her mama, loves Jesus, and America too. She's a good girl, crazy about Elvis, loves horses, and a boyfriend too. It's a long day in Reseda. There's a freeway running through the yard. I'm a bad boy, 'cause I don't even miss her. I'm a bad boy with a good heart, and I'm free falling, and I just want to say thank you everyone for joining me today in the lesson of learning free falling. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you found it a little bit challenging, don't stress, just practice makes progress. Make sure that you're practicing the chords first with one strum. Then once you feel comfortable with that, add in the second layer, which is the strumming pattern. And then only once you can do your strumming pattern with confidence, then try and hum or sing along or play along with the track. That's also very helpful. If you put the track on in the background and you use it almost as a metronome or as a drum track to practice along to. Hope you have lots of fun with this one. I'm looking forward to seeing you in next week's lesson. Have a wonderful day. Bye.